sa damdamin ko. Ikaw ang siyang binubulong. Kung alam mo lang at ika'y natatanong, ikaw ang pinapangarap at laging hinahanap ng mata. At pag tayo'y nagkikita, ako'y nilalabis na sa saya. Sinta, di ko na matitigilan ang kaligayahan na ginagawa. Happy birthday, Ate G! I love you!
Happy birthday sa Jenny.
Di ko na matitigilan na ikaliwasan ang kalimutan ka. Ikaw ang pinapangarap at laging hinahanap ng mata. At pag tayo'y nagkikita, ayoko nang mawalay pa. Sinta, di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan na kinadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin na. Di ko na mapipigilan na ikaiwasan ang kalimutan ka. Di ko na mapipigilan pa ang aking puso na ibigin ka. Happy birthday, Ate Gigi! Thank you. Happy birthday, Ate G. I love you. Next. What?
Reasons like to be a woman, there's only human.
Mga anak mo, Leticia! Mga anak mo!
Let no luck will come a return. Peace and truth.
Nagwala si Ate Leti.
Oh, yeah.
Sayaw!
Oh, just a little bit dangerous.
Wala kayong bigas na ano? Unit.
You find your bed, you take control. You're moving to my heart and to my soul. Get out of my way, get out of my sight. I won't be walking until I get through the night. Hey, what's your word? Why aren't you there? I know your business, don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hit like it. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Turn around, come have a drive. You're heavy under her love. Your body's alive. Get out of my way, get out of my sight. I'm not a chance to love them. Here for tonight, hey, what's your word?